right, today we're gonna do mojitos. Mojitos are a super simple, basic cocktail that a lot of people don't like making, but if you have the proper ingredients at hand, as I said before, it's really not that big of a deal to make a really decent mojito with just like a minimal steps. So your fresh mint, you want to start out with however minty you like it. Some people go 2 to 3 leaves, some people go 5 to 6, some people go 8 to 10. A lot of that I find is just preference of bartender or customer. I'll just throw a whole like stock's worth of mint in usually. Then we're gonna do an ounce of lime juice. Fresh lime juice, of course. Since we're only making a couple, it's easy to do fresh. If I was doing this in my bar, I'd have a squeeze bottle of fresh lime juice, because this is an arduous task. So that was about 1 small lime's worth of juice. Doop. I made simple syrup this time because it's easier to be, I want to say specific, but exact, I guess, with simple syrup. You don't have to use like half a cube. You just use half an ounce. So a half ounce of simple syrup, and then we'll do 2 ounces of rum, as is the current spirit now. So there's a lot of liquid in the bottom of that. Not too bad. So with the muddle, you just want to you don't want to break up the mint. You just want to give it like a little smack. Yeah, you're just releasing the oils from the leaf. If you break it up too small, then you just get chunks of mint that get stuck in your teeth, and this just makes it really an unpleasant drink to drink. If you keep the mint leaf, plus it also gives it a little bit more of a bitter taste when you break the mint leaves up versus just getting the oils out, because you get the bitterness of the leaf fiber that you don't really want in the drink. Just do a little soda top. Let's just do this stir. Don't worry about that stir before. That was silly. There you go. Just give it a little stir to mix the mint leaves around. We got the lime juice in there, but if you want to garnish with the lime, I would do just a cute little lime wheel. Cute. You grab one of your little awesome little bird skewers and throw that guy in there. All right, there's your mojito.